Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of sending a sticker in Telegram. Stickers are a fun and expressive way to spice up your conversations. So let's dive into the full guide on how to send stickers in Telegram. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Step 2. Tap on a chat to enter the conversation. Step 3. Look for the smiley face icon located in the input bar at the bottom of the screen. Give it a tap to open the sticker options. Step 4. In the bottom drawer that appears, you'll see various tabs. Tap on Stickers to access the sticker collection. Step 5. Browse through the available stickers and tap on the one you want to send. This will automatically send the sticker to the chat, and just like that, you've successfully sent a sticker in Telegram. Stickers are a great way to add some fun and personality to your conversations. Whether you're expressing emotions, sharing a laugh, or simply brightening someone's day, stickers are a fantastic tool to have at your disposal. Thank you for watching, and enjoy expressing yourself with stickers in your Telegram chats.